Hi guys, it's Louise here from the Scoopmobile. Now today I got to look inside the BookBug gifting bags for primary ones and I got to read the stories, and I'll tell you, one of them was my favourite. Now I wonder if anyone can guess which it was. It was all about wolves and sheep and a very, very, very special sheep called Brenda. That's right, my favourite book in that bag was Brenda is a Sheep by Morag Hood. So today I am going to make a little craft video all about Brenda, and if you want to do it too, then you just need to follow along and I'll show you how it's done. Are you ready? Let's start. So first you need to gather your resources, and what you need is balls of cotton wool, a paper plate, a glue stick and some scissors. And that's it. That's all you need for this amazing craft. First thing you do is you get your paper plate and you very carefully cut out a circle. Very, very carefully from the middle. Next up, get your glue stick and just start going to town. Just spread it all around the big ring that you've cut out. Now here comes the fun bit. You get to start sticking down your cotton wool balls, going round and round again in a circle and just filling in all the space. Look how fluffy it is. Oh, it's lovely. So now we have all the fluff. What we need is ears. So you take the circle that you cut out earlier and you split it in two, and then you glue it onto the back of your paper plate, and now it will look like this. Oh, it's so fluffy and lovely. Next, you better try it on, so just hold it up to your face. And there you go. Now not only is Brenda a sheep, but you are too. Well done, guys. Thank you all very, very much for watching.